Today I am going to talk about 20 frequently asked questions on the circulatory system that teachers usually do. Let's start. Question 1. What is the main function of the circulatory system? The main function of the circulatory system is to transport nutrients, similar to the cells of the body, and eliminate waste products, such as carbon dioxide. Ask 2. What are the main components of the circulatory system? The main components are the heart, blood and blood vessels, which can be arteries, veins and capillaries. Question 3. What is the heart and how it works? The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to the whole body. You have 4 cameras, 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricles. Blood flows from the atria to the ventricles and then pumped through the arteries to the body. Question 4. What is the difference between arteries and veins? The main difference is arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, while the veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Question 5. What are capillaries and what is their function? Capillaries are very small and thin blood vessels that connect the arteries to the veins. Its function is to enable the exchange of nutrients and waste products between blood and tissues. Question 6. What is pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary circulation is the flow of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Its main function is to oxygenate the blood and eliminate carbon dioxide. Question 7. What is systematic circulation? Systematic circulation is blood flow from the heart to the rest of the body and back to the heart. Transports oxygen and nutrients to cells and collects waste products. Question 8. What is blood pressure and how is it measured? Blood pressure is the force that the blood carries against the walls of the arteries, is measured with a manometer and is recorded as 2 numbers. Systolic pressure when the heart beats, on diastolic pressure when the heart is at rest. Question 9. What is plasma and what is its function? Plasma is the liquid part of blood that carries nutrient blood cells, processes, and waste products, represents approximately 50 and 5% of the total volume of blood. Question 10. What blood cells are and their functions? Blood cells include red blood cells. They transport everything. White blood cells fight infections and platelets assist in blood clotting. Question 11. What is hemoglobin and what is its function? Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells, carrying oxygen from the lungs to the tissues of the body and helps transport carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Question 12. How unidirectional blood flow is maintained? In the heart, unidirectional magnetic flux is maintained thanks to heart valves that open and close to allow the blood to flow in one direction only. Question 13. What are heart valves and how many are there? Heart valves are structures that control blood flow. In the heart, there are 4 valves: the tricuspid valve, the mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. Question 14. What is a heartbeat? A heartbeat is a contraction and relaxation of the heart muscle, which pumps blood through the circulatory system. Question 15. What is the pulse and how is it measured? The pulse is the expansion and rhythmic contraction of the arteries, resulting from each heartbeat. Is usually measured on the wrist or neck, counting the beats by the minute. Question 16. How exercise affects the circulatory system? Exercise regulates, strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, increases lung capacity, and reduces blood pressure. Question 17. What is atherosclerosis and how it affects the circulatory system? Atherosclerosis is a disease in which plaques accumulate in the arteries. What blood flow may contain and increase the risk of heart disease and strokes. Question 18. How circulatory system problems are diagnosed? The problems of the circulatory system are diagnosed by a variety of tests, as electrocardiograms, echocardiograms, angiographies, and blood tests. Question 19. What is a heart attack? And what are your symptoms? A heart attack occurs when blood flow is blocked to a part of the heart. Symptoms include chest pain, difficulty breathing, sweating, nausea, and dizziness. And question 20. How we can take care of our circulatory system. To care for the circulatory system, it is important to eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, avoiding tobacco, maintain a healthy weight, and control blood pressure and cholesterol levels. And that's all for today. I hope that these questions and answers have helped you to better understand the circulatory system. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell. Until next time, remember, I am the biologist Jose Moreno.